chronic food shortages continue to hit Africa. The rising population and low agricultural production due to desertification of the land are at the root of the causes. Here is the percentage of grain consumption in Western Africa. Around 1975, the total production of rice rose sharply, but not a single country in Africa has achieved self-sufficiency in rice production, and currently, all are relying on imports. In 1994, WARDA, the West Africa Rice Development Association, created new strains of rice which are highly adaptive to the African environment and known as New Rice for Africa or NERICA. They are produced by combining two species of cultivated rice, the Asian rice and the African rice. With the assistance of Japan, other countries and organizations, 18 varieties of NERICA have been developed so far, and the cultivation of the new NERICA rice is spreading all over the African continent. Most of the rice cultivation in Africa relies on natural rainwater. Hence, more varieties of the NERICA must be developed for a broader range of water environments, most especially those under rain-fed conditions. In order to help achieve the stable production of NERICA all over Africa, JIRCAS dispatches researchers to WARDA. They work together with local researchers to develop new varieties of rice that can endure the frequently occurring floods and droughts. Also, in an effort toward establishing stable rice production in drought-prone areas, research is ongoing to directly introduce into the NERICA varieties the drought stress-resistant DREB genes discovered by JIRCAS. This is the Sahelian Zone, a semi-arid area located in the southern periphery of the Sahara Desert. Annual precipitation is low, between 250 and 500 millimeters on average, making crop cultivation difficult. Pearl millet, cowpea, sorghum, and groundnut are the staple crops in the Sahel, but their production is low and unstable. In addition to frequent droughts and the spread of diseases and insect pests, the extremely sandy and infertile soil is cited as one of the causes of low agricultural productivity in the Sahel. However, the farmers are so poor they can't afford to purchase agricultural chemicals and fertilizers. To enhance the fertility of the soil, technologies will be developed for the effective utilization of locally available resources. JIRCAS sends researchers to Niger, the country in the heart of the Sahel. They work in collaboration with the International Crops Research Institute for the Semi-Arid Tropics, or ICRISAT, to develop technologies that will increase agricultural production through the improvement of soil fertility. One organic management method involves animal corralling, in which raw dung and the urine of livestock are supplied to farmlands. Nomadic tribes tie up their livestock in fields of the cultivators overnight. The manure and urine from the livestock help raise the soil's fertility. Fallow lands are also studied to examine the overall mechanisms for the improvement of soil fertility, such as the biological nitrogen fixation by weed species and physical structures that capture wind-blown fertile materials. The project is also selecting superior varieties of cowpea with high biomass production and nitrogen fixation. Then these will be introduced into the traditional cropping system to verify the significant benefits of cowpea cultivation towards enhancing soil fertility and the productivity of the accompanying millet crop.
Usually,
JIRCAS will strive to continue its research in the years to come, in the hopes that the results of these efforts will help the African people enhance agricultural production, so that in time they will be able to pull themselves out of food insecurity and lagging economic development.